Best of Jamaica 2020 Boston Results Show. We asked and you responded. So here are the results of the Best of Jamaica in Boston for 2020.
This is Nigel. With the new Digicell International app, he can connect with loved ones in so many more ways. Now, a click with Digicell International is a click to more. It's a click that gives support from afar. It's a click that sends money for the essentials. It's a click that pays bills easily to keep the lights on and the water running. It's a click that brings you closer to them and brings home to you. Download the new Digicell International app or visit digicellinternational.com.
What is the best local Jamaican patty shop bakery? And the answer is Golden Cross. That's in Boston. Boston results. Golden Cross is the top bakery there. Where's the best place to buy Jamaican grocery? And someone said East Boston Farmers Market. East Boston Farmers Market, folks, congratulations on a job well done. Well done, well done, well done. Best local Jamaican restaurant. And there's a piece of your restaurant in this. It's not Taste Right, it is Right Taste Jamaican Restaurant. So it's a flip on Taste Right. It's Right Taste Jamaican Restaurant. As long as you have the right taste, folks, it's all right. We're good. We're good. We're good. Jamaican annual event that you miss attending. This is in Boston, folks. The Boston results due to COVID-19. And once again, the Boston Jerk Festival.
Visit Jamaicans.com for more results on the Best of Jamaica 2020 in other regions of the USA, Toronto, London, and Jamaica.
Since the 90s, Grace Kennedy Money Services and Western Union have been connecting families at home and abroad. In the 2000s, we did the same, linking generous senders to grateful receivers. And in the 2010s, reaching people in every nook and cranny. Now in the 2020s, when loved ones are forced to be apart, we're here, keeping you connected. Grace Kennedy Money Services and Western Union. 30 years of helping you connect the dots.